seatbelt fastened on your carry-on items so that the aircraft is not contained and the passengers should adopt the seatbelt sign. We ask you to use this caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injuries of any items that may have been during flight. You may now use mobile phones or other personal electronic devices while the laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before continuing the aircraft, please be sure to check the contact the overhead bins before air emergency for any personal articles you may have brought off board. We advise you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for flight and managing staff on behalf. And on behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, and especially this Atlanta-based crew, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to the opportunity to visit with you. Thank you and have a very good day.